Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. In the library, there are two trolleys of books. On trolley 1, the subjects of the books are buildings, B, rivers, R, and space, S. On trolley 2, the subjects of the books are buildings, B, history, H, and animals, A. Tomos takes one book from trolley 1 and one book from trolley 2. Write all the possible configurations of the subjects that Tomos can take. So we can see here on trolley 1, he can take buildings, and then on trolley 2, he can take buildings again. Then he can choose buildings and he can choose history instead. Again, he can choose buildings and animals. Then he could choose something else entirely for trolley 1. He can choose rivers. So he can choose rivers and buildings, rivers and history, rivers and animals. Again, he can choose space as well. So we have space in buildings, space in history, and finally space and animals. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.